One of the best pieces of advice shared by 30 students in the survey is to form study groups. Because of this, we have a separate section for this topic. Why are study groups so effective? First, everyone brings their own perspective and problem-solving style to the table. Maybe a friend visualizes a physics problem in a way you never thought of, or they have a clever trick for understanding a concept. This variety of viewpoints helps you understand the material more deeply and from different angles. But there is another fantastic reason. Teaching others is one of the best ways to strengthen your own understanding. When you explain concepts out loud, you're not just helping your friends, you're also solidifying your own grasp of the material in surprising ways. If friends are not available, you may just explain the concept out loud to yourself. Believe me, this helps too. Forming a study group is so important that Dr. Norman Fortenberry, Executive Director of the American Society of Engineering Education, made clear during his interview with Dr. Barbara Oakley in the course in Coursera, learning how to learn powerful mental tools to help you master tough subjects. I encourage you to enroll in this free course, which is filled with practical tips and insightful suggestions for studying and learning. It's a smart move to start building these study groups early in your college journey. Don't wait until you're stuck on a tough concept or facing a looming exam. These groups become so much more than just a place to ask questions. From what I have seen, they often evolve into a college family that supports you for years to come. Another big perk is the emotional support study groups offer. Engineering, or any other major, right, can be demanding, and having people who really get what you're going through makes a huge difference. They will cheer you on when you succeed. They also encourage you when you're overwhelmed, and also they help keep you accountable when deadlines are approaching. Though here is a very important tip. Please be selective when choosing your study group. Pick people who are committed to learning and who will push you to your best. A strong group can boost everyone's grades, but a weak one can become more of a distraction than a help. Remember, engineering is all about collaboration. So working well with others is an essential skill both in college and beyond. The other important item I want to mention that is related to forming study groups is to embrace diversity in your study group. Seek out classmates who come from different backgrounds, different gender and race, speak different languages, or think about problems in different ways. Not only will this broaden your learning, but it will also build your cross-cultural collaboration skills, a huge asset in today's global engineering world. Let me reinforce the importance of study groups by sharing some fascinating neuroscience research. A groundbreaking study from Dr. Rusty Gates' lab revealed that our adult hippocampus can create new neurons through a process called neurogenesis. The research showed that the human brain continues to produce neural stem cells that can develop into functionally active neurons, potentially enhancing learning and memory capabilities. This is especially significant because as we age and naturally lose some brain cells, the ability to generate new ones becomes crucial. In their studies, they found that social interaction significantly enhanced neural connections between the newly generated cells and also between the old and new ones. Further research demonstrated that physical exercise can provide similar benefits in terms of strengthening connections between new and existing neurons. Interesting, right? While we should be cautious about directly extrapolating these findings to human learning, because these experiments were done on rats, These studies provide interesting insights into the potential benefits of both social interaction and physical exercise on brain function. This suggests that maintaining an active social life through study groups can be valuable for learning, and in periods when group study isn't possible or available, regular exercise helps maintain cognitive function and learning capacity. So let's summarize. Boost your learning potential by joining or forming study groups early in your college journey. They offer diverse perspective, strengthen your understanding through teaching others, provide emotional support, and can develop into valuable professional networks that last beyond graduation. That wraps up the 5th section. In the next video, we'll discuss developing professional habits, how to start thinking like an engineer from day one, the importance of joining student organizations, creating a LinkedIn profile, attending career fairs, and engaging in networking opportunities that will set you apart in your future career. See you in the next video.